Conclusion. The key to affiliate marketing success in 2018 and beyond. The key to affiliate marketing success in 2018 and beyond is to focus on what works. Do a lot of experiments with traffic sources and conversion tools. But at the end of the day, you need to identify what works, optimize it so it converts at the highest predictable level possible, and then scale it up. In other words, do more of it, get more of that type of traffic, and produce more of that type of conversion tool. You should also optimize by changing your offers to ensure that you present an offer that converts at the highest predictable level. Diversification is crucial. Nowhere in this training do I say that you should just stick to one method. At the very least, you should stick to maybe 3 to 5 methods. This way, you will always have a backup if your preferred method, for some reason or another, falls apart. In this game, nothing lasts forever. So do yourself a big favor, make sure that you always have backup sources of traffic for your conversion tools. Always remember to optimize. Optimization is a never-ending process. Don't think that just because you're able to convert at a certain percentage that you're stuck there. There's always room for improvement. The only question is how much time you have for it. But once you have set up a stable system and you have many different conversion tools all set up and they're producing trickles of cash, optimize all of them. Scale up. Many little streams of revenue add up to a big river. Scale up in terms of volume or scale up in terms of conversions. Whatever the case may be, you need to scale up. If this means that you're going to have to create many more websites with each of them making a small trickle of cash, go for it. However, if you feel that your time is better spent building fewer sites with higher conversion rates, go down that route. Whatever the case may be, make your decision and stick to it. I wish you the greatest success.